everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, and today, instead of doing an update video, I did want to share another stitch video with everybody. So this next stitch is episode 11 of our stitch gallery and glossary. This is called the diamond mesh stitch, and this stitch is super simple. If you know how to chain, you know how to do this stitch. It is that easy, and it's just a beautiful lacy design, and you can use this in making lacy shawls or lacy types of tops. Just really nice, really open, flowy pieces. So I wanted to share this tutorial with everybody today. This is great for beginners who are new to crochet and want to expand your crochet knowledge, and those of you who are more advanced crocheters. It's just great to kind of review your stitches and relearn a lot of the great stitches that we have in crochet. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I will check in with everyone next week. Happy hooking! Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. This is episode 11 of our stitch gallery and glossary. Today we are learning the diamond mesh. You will need to know just a basic chain, really. You'll need to have a crochet hook and some yarn. Big thank you to Would Be Fancy for providing this hook today. This is a hand-carved ergonomic wooden hook handle, and it is super fabulous. I love this hook so much. I will put a link in the description of this video for you to get this same hook so you can have this fabulous hook in your life. Also, you're going to need some yarn. I'm using Creme de la Creme. Big thank you to Red Heart Yarns for providing this yarn in this tutorial today. It is 100% cotton yarn. But you can use any yarn and any hook for this stitch. So let's get right into it. The diamond mesh stitch is in a multiple of 4 plus 3 for your foundation chain. So what I have here is a chain of 27, okay, because 24 is a multiple of 4, and then plus 3 more chains is 27. So I'm going to start off with that. Now if you need to know how to do a basic chain or a slip knot or anything, you can check out episodes 1 through 5 of our series here, and you will learn how to do that. But let's go right into row 1. We are going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So the loop on the hook doesn't count as anything, so count 1 and 2, the second chain here, and I'm going to turn my chain toward me and work into the back ridges of this chain, and we're going to single crochet into that second chain from the hook. So go in and then yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to chain 5. So yarn over and pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to skip 3 chains. So 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to go into this next chain for a single crochet. So go in, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And we're just going to then repeat that all the way across. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then skip 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and then go into the next chain and single crochet. So go in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Okay, and we're just going to do that all the way across. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then skip 3 chains on your foundation, 1, 2, and 3, and then go into the next chain and single crochet. So yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, I just have a little bit more left. You can keep watching. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and then single crochet into the next. Okay, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, skip 3 chains, single crochet into the next. Awesome. Then we're just going to continue this. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 3 chains and single crochet in the next. And if you have 1 chain left like I do, what you could do is unravel this little slip knot and take that one off, or you could single crochet into that last one. Okay, just like that. So you have 2 single crochets in a row. That is what we're going to do. Now what we're going to do is go on to row 2. So that was very simple for row 1, very holy and lacy, which is going to be nice for this project. So now we're going to chain up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn your work around. Okay, so we're looking at this side now. And we're going to single crochet into this chain 5 space right here. So go in, then yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Just like that. And we're just going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, hop to the next chain 5 space, and single crochet in there. Ooh, that's a loose single crochet. You'll have to go in there first, and then yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay? So you'll need a little bit of hand coordination in this because there is a lot of chains. So yarn over, pull through, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hop to the next chain 5 space, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And just do that again. Chain 5, and then hop to the next chain 5 space and single crochet in there. Okay. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just doing this all the way across, and we are going to, for row 2, we're going to chain 5. Okay, I'm going to single crochet in this last one here, but we are also going to chain another 5. So when you single crochet in your last chain 5 space, chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and single crochet into the single crochet down here. So right in here, single crochet into that stitch. Okay? And that's all you have to do for row 2. So you can see it's very lacy, very nice. Alright, so now let's go on to row 3. So row 3 is our repeat row now. We're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn our work around, and we're going to single crochet into this chain 5 space. Okay, then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hop to the next chain 5 space right here and single crochet in there. And we're just going to do that across. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hop to the next chain 5 space and single crochet in there. Okay, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hop to the next, single crochet in there. So we're just doing this all the way across, and then I'm almost done here, so you can just continue watching. We're gonna go on to row 4. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go right into this next one here, single crochet in there. And now our last one will be right here. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and single crochet into this chain 5 space here. But you do not have to chain another 5. You can see that this is the edge here, and we're not going to chain another 5 and single crochet. So now all we have to do is just repeat row 3. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, turn our work around, and then single crochet in the chain 5 space. and then just repeat chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and single crochet in the next chain 5 space. It's just tricky because row 2 had to go into that single crochet down here, and that was a little confusing. But after that, row 3 is your repeat row. Just chain 5 and then single crochet in the next chain 5 space all the way across. And then when you get to the end, just chain 5, turn your work, and single crochet in the chain 5 space, and then chain 5 again, and keep doing that. And this is the most easy stitch, and it's very lacy, and I absolutely love it. I actually think a swimsuit top, or not a top, but a swimsuit cover-up top, like a tunic top, would be really nice in this lacy design, lacy stitch. It's just really, really airy, and you know, a shawl would be really pretty in this. A summer shawl even would be really nice in this. There's all kinds of different projects that you can make with this diamond mesh stitch. So have fun with it. You can perfect it. You know, it's a lot of practicing your chaining method, which is a lot of fun, and single crochets as well. But that's basically it. That's the diamond mesh stitch. So thank you so much for watching and learning how to do this with me today. Make sure to check out YARNutopia.com for more free video guides on easy to complex stitches. And while you're there, you can click the donate button and support YARNutopia so we can continue to bring you these tutorials, and also check out my other patterns on there as well. I have different fashion pieces and different designs of baby items and home decor and all that good stuff. So check out YARNutopia.com. Big thank you to Red Heart Yarns for providing this yarn today, and thank you to my dad, Fuad, Azmat, for taking the time to make this video with us. He is our videographer, editor, and photographer for all of the videos at YARNutopia.com, so if you could subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated. I love this stitch so much. It is so beautiful. Thank you to you for watching all the time. Until next time, happy hooking!